Welcome to my channel. Igama uStanley's from Inkazimulo Center. Ngi-trader and tutor. Ngisiza abantwana besikolo nge-maths ne-science. So ngiqalele YouTube channel le because ngifuna ukusiza abantu ama-subscribers wami. Ngifuna ukufundisa ama-subscribers wami ukutrader kahle kahle. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiyi-tutor. So if unomntana oyenza grade 10, 11 and 12, you can contact me. My number wami aku-thumbnail, or you can find me on Facebook, Inkazimulo Center, Tutoring Center, Inkazimulo Tutoring Center, or ucontact lama number la aku-thumbnail. Ungaphambi kokuthi ngiqale ngicela ukubonga kulabo abasubscribe-ile ku-channel yami. So ngizobe ngidropha ama-video afana nale more often kusukela kule video le, angazi ngizothi namhlanje. Yeah, kusukela namhlanje. Okay, so ngizobe ngibhala nge-English, ngikhuluma ngale language engikhuluma ngayo vele, ngale lingua engikhuluma ngayo. So if khona okungazwakali, cela ningicontact or ni-comment kuma-video wami so that ngizokhona uku-improve. Ningayimandi iquality yalama video le, ngesikhathi azo-improve. Ngisebenzisa this app, software or app ukuyenza lama video lawa. Okay, so namhlanje ngizokhuluma nge-price action. So i-price action angeke ngiveze i-chart, kusho ukuthi angeke ngene ku-MetaTrader 5 naku-TradingView. So angeke nilibone i-candlestick like the live candlestick. This sizothini i-theory le part le. Yeah, sibambe kanjalo ukuthi senze i-theory, then after i-theory, after mangiceda i-series ye-theory ngizocala nge-series ye-practical. So I hope niya-absorb le information and it make sense again. Okay, so i-price action, i-price imove ngendlela ezi-different and si-interpreter as ama-traders, si-interpreter i-price ngendlela ezihlukile. So mina ngizoveza indlela mina le engi-interpreter ngayo i-price, ne? And if ufuna like advanced knowledge yalento engizobe ngiyifundisa la, you can find i-mentor yami ICT, ne? ICT khona la ku-YouTube, then yeah, ufunde kuye ngoba nami ngifunde kuye. So okay, ngizobe ngikhuluma ngani? Market structure. Market structure ukuthi market imove kanjani. Liquidity, explain ukuthi yini i-liquidity, then ama-points of interest, points of interest. Ne, so ama-point of interest ila singena khona siphuma khona. So lama-video lama-topic lawa angeke ngikhulume ngawo namhlanje la. Ngizokhuluma ngawo kulawa amanye ama-video. So sizoba ne-video ezobe ikhuluma ngalo nge-market structure, sibe ne-video ekhuluma nge-liquidity, sibe ne-video ekhuluma nge-point of interest. So today ngizobe ngi-explainer i-chart kahle kahle ukuthi yini i-chart, yini ama-candlestick. Yeah, I hope it will make sense. Okay, so i-chart lethu limekayo, sina le part le la phansi, bese sibe nale part le. So sine horizontal, sine vertical. So sibiza ngani le? Sithi ama-x axis, bese lana sithini ama-y axis. Kulaba abayenzile i-maths bayayazi ngisho ini i-Cartesian plane. So i-Cartesian plane yethu imekayo ngisho x and y. So siyazi ukuthi yeah, laba abayenzile i-maths bayayazi ukuthi isebenza kanjani i-Cartesian plane. So every graph kahle kahle, ama-graphs wonke not wonke ngoba i-pie chart khona ne-pie chart. So most of ama-graphs ane-x and y axis ne, kamele niyazi lento le. So nazi ukuthi ku-x wenu, kuma-x axis wethu kahle kahle sinani, sinesikhathi ne, isikhathi sethu sivela according to le time frame le oyi-choose-ile kuleyo pair le oyi-choose-ile. Then kuma-y axis wethu sine price, ukuthi yini i-price yaleyo pair le currency pair le oyi-choose-ile. So ngoba sise-South Africa let's-use ini USD ZAR. So ngi-explainile le i-currency pair kule video le, la ngi-explaina khona i-forex ukuthi yini forex. So ngi-explainile ukuthi yini i-currency pair. So $1 bese lana i-quoted. So i-quoted currency iZAR ngisho. So yiyo le ezobe ivela la kuma-y axis wakho. So let's say izoba yi-17 rand point 00, 17 rand point maybe 25 cents, 17 rand point 50 cents, kanjalo kanjalo until, yabo. Then isikhathi njengoba bengisho ukuthi sihamba according to i-chart lelo oli-choose-ile, i-time frame lo oyi-choose-ile. Let's say u-choose i-1 hour, i-1 hour. So maybe kuzoba ubani u-9:00 bese kuba u-10:00, 11:00, 12:00. So 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock bese kuba u-12 o'clock. Now, let's say 17.75. Let's say la 18.25 kanjalo kanjalo. So ngizosebenzisa i-line chart, ngizodraw i-line chart la. So a-different ama-charts wethu ne. So sine-line chart, sine-candlestick chart. Candlestick yiyo le siyisebenzisa kakhulu ne. Keep that in your head, in mind kahle kahle. Okay, ukubheka le chart leli, i-chart lethu sisazoyenza i-practical yalento le, like sisazowaveza ama-chart ninawo. I-chart, i-line chart ivezani ukuthi la ngo-11 i-price ye-USD ZAR, ye-dollar, i-price ye-dollar sorry, bekuyi-17 rand point 25 cents ngo-11. Then yakhuphuka kwathi ngobani, maybe 11 something, 11:10, so yakhuphuka yahlala kubani, ku-17 rand point 75. Kusho ukuthi kukhuphuke ngamalini, nga-50 cent maybe, because 50 plus 25 sithola bani, u-75 cent. So le difference between le point le, this point right here to le point le, siyibiza ngama-pips. Ngiyi-explainile futhi kuleya video le ye-forex ukuthi yini ama-pips. Ama-pips ama-points in position. So this position right here and this position right there. Then i-market yakhuphuka until yaze yafika la ikhona manje. So i-price yakhona ngiyabona lapha ngabo 12:30 sorry, bese kuyimalini, 18 rand point 25 cents. Yathemba make sense le. So le bayibiza ngani, nge-bullish market ne. So i-chart lethu likayi liso, yeah, understandable into engiceda ukuyisho. Okay, njengoba bengisho vele ukuthi i-line chart akusiyo kuphela indlela yokuviwa i-price ne. So akusiyo kuphela, sinendlela ezibhayo ezokuviwa i-price and ebalulekile ama-candlestick. So the line chart is not the only graph to study price. Khona bo candlestick, i-bar chart, Heiken Achieve, ziningi kahle kahle, but ezibalulekile yilezi engizoziveza la. Okay, so i-line chart akusiyo kuphela indlela yokuveza ilento, but yiyo indlela e-easy yokubona ukuthi i-market iyaphi mangabe awukaka-understand ama-candlestick. Why ngisho kanjalo is because yona iyaziveza. Uma ubona into eso uyabona nawe ukuthi fana namastepisi, siyakuphi, siyaphezulu. Uma kunento eso kuyasho ukuthi akuyiwa ndawo, like isendaweni eyi-one. Or uma ubona into eso uyabona ukuthi amastepisi ayehlayo. So mangabe i-price imekayo sithi iya kuphi, iya up, and sithi yini, i-uptrend, uptrend. Then mangabe iyenza so ayiphezulu and ayiphansi, ngiyayibona like imuva indlela i-straight, like yeah, indlela straight. So mayiso sithi yini, way, or sithi ya-consolidate, sideways trend, ungasho kanjalo, sideways trend. Then mayenza sona sithi yini, i-downtrend, i-downtrend. Ku-MetaTrader yakho abakuvezeli i-line chart, bakuvezela ama-candlestick ne. So ama-candlestick, let's say awe-uptrend kuzoba yintekanye. So depending on i-color of lawo ma-candlestick lawo, but most of ama-chart bafaka green no-red ne. So green no-red candlestick. Lawa yaphezulu sizothi a-green ne, a-representa u-uptrend, green. Then lawa ayaphansi njengale sizothi a-red, so a-representa i-market eyehlayo, like i-sell market. Khona i-buy market ne-sell market. Okay, so i-red, so cela i-red ukuyigcwalisa kanje. Okay, ama-candlestick lawa ayehlayo siyawagcwalisa nge-ink phakathi, then sibe nento so. My bad. Okay, so iyabonakala lento leyo. Okay, u-green angisho, u-green. Mayiso i-market niyayibona vele i-clear ukuthi ngiyakuphi, ngiyaphezulu, I'm going up. So siyibiza ngani, nge-uptrend. Then kube nale enama-candlestick lesi aso. Then into so, niyabona like ime endaweni eyi-one. So sithi sideways, then kube ne-downtrend. downtrending. So i-uptrend, yeah, let me explain i-uptrend. I-uptrend siyibona ngani? Siyibona ngokuthi kunama-candlestick amaningi a-green aclosayo than a-red, ama-candlestick aclosayo. So leyo sithi uptrend. So makunento so like green like futhi abe ne-momentum futhi ama-candlestick njengale i-momentum yakhona enkulu, yabo, bese abe maningi ama-candlestick akhona 1 2 3 4 bese lawa a-red vele aba mancane, uyayithola. So sithi uptrend kanjalo. Then mangabe i-market ayi-trend njengoba i-consolidator, like sithi consolidation, angisho le consolidation, njengoba i-consolidator uzozibona zidlala endaweni eyi-one kakhulu. Then mangabe kuyi-downtrend uzobona ama-candlestick amaningi a-red than ama-candlestick a-green. So sithi yini? I-downtrend leyo makunjalo. Ngiyathemba ngilekhe sense. So ama-candlestick mangabe uyazibuza ukuthi ama-candlestick abuyaphi and awazi, ama-candlestick wa-discover i-Japanese trader ngey'nkathi zabo beba-trader i-rice. Ngalezo y'nkathi zabo beba-trader i-rice, ngikhohlwe igama lakhe manje. So beba-trader i-rice, so badetermine indlela yoku-trader i-rice, which is ama-candlestick. Why ama-candlesticks? Mangabe uyazibuza nalokho, it's because ama-candlesticks aholda i-data ebhaya, like they hold more data and it's easier for thina ukuthi si-interpret-e i-market using ama-candlesticks, uku-interpret-a noku-predict-a ama-future moves using ama-candlesticks. Ngizokhuluma ngama-candlesticks manje. Okay, so i-candlestick njengoba bengisho ukuthi a-green kuma-chartweni li-represent-a i-bullish candlestick. Then leli engilikharanishe phakathi, engifake i-ink phakathi, isiZulu sasemzansi, leli engilifake i-ink phakathi sithi bearish candlestick. Ema-chartini wenu usually ama-bullish candlesticks anjani? A-green. Then ama-bullish candlesticks a-green, then ama-bearish wona a-red. Usually like mangabe uyaqala uku-download i-MetaTrader 5 izokufakela ama-candlesticks aso, ne? Then wena sowuzozitshintshela mangabe ufuna ukuwatshintsha lawo ma-candlesticks lawo. Okay, so I think ngikhulume nge-candlestick njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-candlestick li-holda more data, so ingakho sisebenzisa wona ukuyenzani? Uku-trader futhi. So candlesticks, candle, siyawazi ama-candle, so ngekho umuntu ongalazi candle. So i-candlesticks, niyalibona i-candle linjani? Candlestick so sizothini? Bullish. So why bathi ama-bullish nama-bearish? It's because basebenzise indlela ye-bull nendlela ye-bear, bullish, nendlela ye-bear yokulwa. Mangabe nazazi ley'lwane lezi, nake nayibona i-bull mayilwa, angithi kushaya ngamaphondo wayo, so ngey'mpondo, bathi impondo le, amaphondo wayo. So mayikushaya icale iyenzeni? mayekushaya ngamaphondo yenzani ifuna ukukukha so ikuthathe ikuyise phezulu, uyayithola. Niyayibona khona le midlalo le la abantu badlala ngawo ama-bulls le, then ibagijimise, then mayimthola umuntu ivele imenzeni, ivele yenze ikhanda layo iyise ikhanda layo phansi bese ikha lo muntu imisa phezulu. Yingakho bathi bullish ama-candlestick because nawo amuva kanjalo. So niyayibona leyo ndlela leyo. Then i-bear yona, i-bear before let's say ilwa ne-opponent yayo, ngaphambi kokuthi like maybe i-squash i-opponent yayo, izocala yenzeni, ime ngey'nyawo zayo zoyi-two, ezi-two bese yenzani, yayi-squash i-opponent yayo, uyayithola. Bese iphinde futhi ime ngey'nyawo zayo bese yenzani, yayi-squash-a futhi i-opponent yayo. So yingakho basebenzise, yingakho bathi yini ama-bullish nama-bearish candlesticks because asebenzisa leyo analogy le, yeah, indlela yokulwa kwalama-animals lawa ayi-two. Okay, excuse. So i-bullish candlestick lona liso, so amakhendlela siyazi ukuthi analey'ntambo lezi phakathi kuzo, ingakho bathi ama-candlesticks. Ngiyacabanga kanjalo. Okay, so i-bullish candlestick inani, inala evula khona opening price, so sithi i-opening price ne, bese kube ne i-bullish candlestick inala ivula khona, so njengoba ngisho ukuthi sithi yini, opening price, then iye phansi i-create i-low price of the day, or mangabe i-candlestick le-daily lelo, or week, low price of the week if i-weekly candlestick. Then mayisuka la phansi iye phezulu izo-create-a ini, i-high of the day bese iyehle kancane bese yenzani, iya-close, uyayithola. Ngaleyo sequence leyo masiya ku-line chart iyenzani, icala ku-open iye ku-low price bese yenzani, iya ku-high price bese iya-close. Niyayibona i-bullish move ke le, bullish candlestick. So sithi open, i-low price, i-high price bese kuba i-close yakho ke le. So i-candlestick ne-line chart, i-relationship between i-candlestick ne-line chart ke le. Le part le ku-candlestick bayibiza nge-body, ibizwa nge-body, so umzimba we-candlestick ne. Yebo Thama, usemuva. Sorry guys. Okay, sorry about that. So sine-body, njengoba bengisho ukuthi le part le iyi-body ne, then lokho okuvela la sithi ama-wicks, week like John Wick, so ama-wicks now, athemba it make sense. I-sequence bullish candlestick ke ihamba kaye, ithini, open, low, high bese ithini, close. Iyi-sequence le ye-bullish candlestick. I-week iyenzeka because i-price ile yafika la but yafail ukuclose la, yazoclose la, So i-wick ikuvezela ukuthi ngake ngafika somewhere la nala phansi, then ngivule la ngaya phansi ngizile la then ngabuyela emuva. So iyashiya le wick le izokubonisa ukuthi khona la iyele yeza khona bese yaza nala phezulu, but yafeyila ukucloser la yazocloser la, so iyaveza ukuthi nala ngizile la. So i-wick yi-purpose yama-wicks le. Then kube ne-bar chart, i-bar, yeah, njengoba ngisho ukuthi a-different lama-charts lawa. So i-bar yona imakani, so ithini? Open, low, bese ithini? High, bese iya-close, open, low, bese ithi high, bese ithi close. Ngiyathemba i-make sense le. Asize ngapha kubheka. Niyayibona i-bullish ivula phansi, ivula la iye phansi bese iya phezulu. So i-bearish yona ivula phezulu, ivula la bese iye phansi. So i-open bese i-high, highest price reached, bese kuba yi-lowest price reached, bese kuba yi-close yakho. So yizo lezo. High, ne? Okay, cool. Mase siveza ku-line chart lento ithini? Open, high, hey. Okay, open, high, sekuba yi-low, bese kuba yi-close. So i-bearish move ke le. Open, high, low and close. Then ku-bar izothini? So amalayini wami awekho straight. Open, high, bese ithi low, bese ithi close. So sithe yini le candlestick le, i-line chart le, candlestick, i-line chart izokuvezela into eso, line chart, bese kuba i-bar chart le, bar chart. Same thing nangapha, candlestick, line chart ne-bar. Niyayibona ngisho? Okay, singadlula. Ni-notice something, i-bullish candlestick before liya phezulu, before lizoba yi-bullish candlestick liya phezulu, licale lenzeni? Liyavula, before lithi phezulu licale lenzeni? Liye phansi bese liya phezulu. Nayithola? So always let's say lelo langa lelo ufuna ukubhaya i-market, kamele wazi ukuthi okay, before ngizobhaya lento le izocala isele kucala bese yenzani? Iyabhaya. Nangapha before izosela, yabo ivule la, bese before izoyehla iye phansi yele yayenzani? Yele yaya phezulu bese yayenzani? Yaya phansi. Kwamele uyi-expect-e lento le. Before ngisela kwamele ngi-expect i-move eya phezulu bese ngizosela ngiye phansi. Ngiyayithola? So let me write that. Before a bullish move, always anticipate a move lower first. Always anticipate a move lower first. And also before a bearish move, bearish move, always anticipate a move higher. Always anticipate a move higher. Later. Okay, so sesiqedile ngakho lokho ne. I think there's something else ngama-candlestick. So i-example nyana engizama ukuyiveza nge-daily candlestick. Athi sithi bullish ne, example e.g. Daily candlestick ele bullish limekayo. Then sibe ne njengoba ngisho daily, then ku-price price action ye 4 hour, i-daily candlestick or i-daily price action izomakala. Okay, inkulu. Okay, izomakala. I-daily ina how many hours? Inama-hour angayikho 4 hours. 24 hours. Why ngithi 4 hours? So 24 hours mangidivide ngo-4 ngithola bani? Ngithola u-6. Ne? So kusho ukuthi ngizoba nama-candlesticks awu-6 awe-4 hour. Awu-6 we-4 hour. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so angazi niyayibona le pattern le line chart iso, niyayibona le pattern le bengiveze like i-pattern eso. I-daily ke ikunikayo ku-4 hour candlestick ku-4 hour chart, not candlestick, or 4 hour time frame. I-daily mangabe ufuna ukubheka kuma-lower time frames ku-4 hours uba so, then mawuya ku-1 hour le candlestick le 4 hour, this one le 4 hour lizoba nama-candlestick awu-4 awu-1 hour nalo kanjalo kanjalo, awu-4 we-1 hour bese naleli libe nama-candlestick awu-4 we-1 hour, 4 4 4 kanjalo kanjalo. Athemba make sense lo ne. Okay, so khona i-move eyenziwa ama-candlesticks wonke, candlestick laku-monthly, laku-weekly, laku-daily, laku-4 hour, laku-1 hour, laku-5 minutes kanjalo kanjalo, naku-1 minute, nakuma-seconds. Khona i-move eyenziwa yilama candlesticks lawo. So le move le bayibiza, i-mentor yami i-ICT uyibiza nge-power of 3 ne, power of 3, power of 3, or abanye bathini AMD, so accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Iminani lento le nge-understanding yami i-price immediately mayiceda kuvula i-market, i-price izoqala i-accumulate by accumulating. So accumulator in ama-sell orders or ama-sell or buy orders. Price will start by accumulating, not shin. 1, 2, 3. Okay, accumulating. Immediately mayiceda kuvula, after market open, then during, let's say i-session le ezolandela, angithi sinama-session awu-3 trading sessions. So i-session yokuqala yile i-price izoqala i-accumulate ngayo, then i-session yokusi-2, during the second session i-market izoyenzani, izosinikeza second session, i-market izosinikeza izo-manipulate, price will manipulate. So i-manipulator laba ekuthiwa ama-early buyers noma early sellers. Price will manipulate early buyers and early sellers. And then last session, and then during last session i-price izodistributor, izosinikeza i-move of the day. During last session, price will distribute. Okay, before ngidlula ngi-explainer further, i-market sometimes iyayenza lento le according to ama-sessions vele, but not always, ngoba ama-sessions ayi-3 are different, and the way 3 affecta ama-currency pairs are different. So sine-Asian session izo-affecta obvious Asian currencies, bese sibe ne-London session nayo izo-affecta ama-London pairs or currencies, then sibe ne-New York session bese nayo izo-affecta ama-USD pairs or ama-USD pairs, ne? So i-price inga-accumulator, let's say nge-Asia session for ama-GBP pairs, ama-London pairs, inga-accumulator during i-Asia session bese i-distribute, bese i-manipulate maybe pre-London bese i-distribute during i-London session. Lokho kuyayenzeka. So ungaholdi lento engiyishilo as ukuthi yiyo kuphela into eyenzakalayo. So i-price sometimes i-unpredictable, ne? Okay, so i-power of 3, njengoba bengisho, it's made up of accumulation manipulation distribution, hence AMD distribution, AMD. Na njengoba ngitsho izoqala yenzeni accumulate bese iya-manipulate bese iya-distribute. So accumulation sizothi A, then during the phase le sithi manipulation, then le phase le yonke le i-distribution. Ku-manipulation phase ila sithola khona ama-entries wethu. Why sithola khona ama-entries wethu? Because yikho la ekuyenzeka into ekuthiwa i-market maker, in this case is sell model, or i-market maker buy model. Ne? Iyenzeka during ini i-manipulation phase, during that phase. So i-market maker buy model or market maker sell model ile nto le engiyisekele oyibonayo lapha, nayithola ngisho. So imekaye-ke i-market, okay, not i-market, i-power of 3 of i-daily candlestick. Let's say i-sell, let's say i-bearish candlestick. Angithi i-bearish candlestick siyalazi lemekayo. Okay, so open, i-high, i-low bese kuba i-close, kusho ukuthi yenza le sequence le. Ne? So lento yakhona i-power of 3 yale move le izoba so, izoba into so. So accumulation during manipulation bese iya-distribute. Nayithola nayi le sequence. So iqale yavula yaya phezulu bese yaya phansi bese iya-close. Niyayibona? Kayisource. Yiniphi isource but then for i-bullish candlestick, so sine-open, sine-low, i-high bese kuba i-close, angisho? Leyo sequence, open, low, high, close. So i-market izoqala yenzeni? I-accumulate bese iya-manipulate bese iya-distribute. So accumulation, manipulation bese siba nani? Distribution. Nayi le sequence. So iqale la yaya phansi yaya phezulu bese close la, yaya phezulu bese iya-close. Ngiyayithola. So iqale la yaya phansi yaya phezulu bese iya-close, sequence yakhona. So yiyo le power of 3. Power of 3, so sithi lena yini? Market maker buy model, siyithola la bese i-market maker sell model siyithola la. Thi ngiwabhalela amagama nizowabona kahle. So market maker buy model intekayo, market maker buy model. Kulabo aba-trader, eyi, bese i-support and resistance, I'm sure bayayazi i-head and shoulder. So i-market maker buy model singasho ukuthi i-head and shoulder, i-shoulder lakho, i-shoulder lakho bese kuba i-head yakho la. Market maker buy model ibikayo. Then market maker sell model intekayo, maker sell model. Yona imekayo. So ama-shoulder, i-head yakho. Mangabe ufuna ukuyibamba nge-head and shoulder. Niyayithola ngisho. So yiyo le information bengifuna ukunazisa yona namhlanje. Thingbo. What's more? Yeah, for today asiyiclose la. Then ngizochubeka ngayo kulawa amanye amavidiyo. Thank you. Cela nisubscribe and like ni-comment ningitshele ukuthi ngi-improve nani so that ngizokhona ukwenza amavidiyo azonisiza. Thanks.